Yeah, we'll look at example 2. We have the sides of a flower garden here are 4 meters long, and at each end there's a semicircle with a diameter of 2 meters, and we want to find the perimeter of the flower garden. Well, from here to here, that's 4 meters. From here to here, it's going to be the same. That's 4 meters. But what about this here and this here? Well, to go from here to here is 2 meters, but to go all the way around here is going to take a lot farther. It's going to be a lot farther than just 2 meters because you're going all the way out and coming back in. So for this, we're actually going to use the formula for the circumference of a circle. Circumference, we can see our little definition right here. This is just the measure of the perimeter of a circle. And the formula for the circumference, the circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius, or you can say the circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. They're both exactly the same because you might remember that the diameter is all the way across the circle, radius is halfway across, so the diameter is actually 2 times the radius. So diameter is the 2 times the radius, and then you just multiply by pi. In this case, we're given the diameter, and so from here to here would be half of a circle, but then we have over here the other half of the circle. So if we imagine pulling out this rectangle in the middle and pushing the two ends together, we'd now have a full circle, and we could just go around it. So the circumference of this circle would be 2 times pi times r. So let's just put this over here for a second. So 2 times pi times r, or pi times the diameter. See, I'm given the diameter, I may as well use that. Pi times 2, and you guys should all have pi buttons on your calculator. So we do pi times 2, and we're going to get approximately 6.28, and we'll just go with that. So 6.28, and so that would be from here to here and from here to here all together, because that's your full circle. So we're going to add 6.28 to that, and that's going to give you 1014.28, and my units now are meters. So the perimeter of the flower garden is 14.28 meters. Now, this is, when you're doing your study guide, this is a question that you'll probably want on it because it tends to pop up repeatedly. In fact, you'll see a question like it in grade 11 as well. So you want to be able to remember that to go around here, all the way around this thing is going to be, you add up these two sides, you make sure you add it twice because there's 4 meters and 4 meters here, and then the other sides are just all the way around a circle. So you got to figure out the circumference of the circle.